Summer's here and it's time to hit the gym. Fitness for Less has 3 locations, one in Fayetteville, Springdale, and Rogers. Today, I visited with Gabe at the gym here in Rogers, who shared with me tons of information on what Fitness for Less is all about. The 2 owners, Dwayne and Mike, have a unique spin on how they approach the business. They believe in taking care of your members, who in turn take care of your staff, who takes care of the company and ultimately takes care of you. As a new member to Fitness for Less, you will receive 2 free personal training sessions in which your coach will take an assessment and then create and provide you with your workout and nutrition plan. Most people come here looking for a lifestyle change, and the staff's goal at Fitness for Less is to encourage their members to keep coming back and stay on track with their plan. Fitness for Less has cardio equipment, weight training and resistance equipment, group classes, tanning beds, personal training services, and kids club. And of course, they also have CrossFit. Gabe says when training in CrossFit, it's critical that you train under strict supervision of a certified CrossFit coach and maintain a safe and controlled workout environment. You can find out more information about membership and services for Fitness for Less at their website, www.fitness-for-less.com. Thanks for watching. Now shut down your computer and get to work.